welcome back to the Journey of Rise. And if you're new, welcome. Today's video, I will be unraveling my Bantu knots. I kept them in a week, so I'm excited to see how the girls look. But before we get into it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and definitely hit that notification bell and come right back. So first I'll go in with my oils. I'll just oil the scalp. If you have not already, you can check out how I did these Bantu knots. I'll leave it right up here and I'll put it in the description box below. So let's get into it. I think I'll start with the back, so therefore you guys can see it first because I'm kind of anxious because this is my very first time trying it. So I'll actually unravel them with this. This have a nice smell to it. Listen, I'm hyped right now. Look at these curls. Hold on. Let me finish it up. Guys, are you seeing this? You guys had the first peek and didn't tell me anything. How did you do that? Oh my gosh. This will be my go-to style. I swear. Oh my gosh. Look at how they're laying. Wow, I am very surprised. Wow. So from now on, I'll be rocking a curly look. So you guys better get accustomed seeing me like this because I love it. And every retwist, or even when I don't retwist, I will be doing Bantu knots to get these little curlies, okay? I thought it was gonna be a hot mess, but it came out amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video and unraveling these knots with me and seeing this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful look. Go ahead and hit that like button because it's worth it, okay? And definitely comment, let me know if you do like it. You have to like these bomb curls, so you don't tell me anything different. Wow, I love it. Anywho's, definitely hit that subscribe button and share with everyone that you know. I'll see you guys until next time. See ya.